warning for northwestern Madison County in south-central Iowa, southern Dallas County in central Iowa, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dexter, or 12 miles northwest of Winterset, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waukee, Adel, Earlham, DeSoto, Van Meter, and Dexter. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 98 and 113. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Dallas, and Madison.